Oh, yeah. We're getting that nigga.
I literally just fucking got my shit fixed. Oh, yeah. Fuck that. He just hit me with the car, too. What? So you trying to race tonight?
What you want to do, man?
Nah, he don't want it.
Hey, you scared,
he don't
man.
want
You scared, man.
He don't want it. He don't want it. He don't want it, Kobe.
Eric, race him.
He don't want it. Alright, today we just finna be chilling and shit. We finna be going to AP Smoke Shop. We finna be chilling, getting food and shit. And tomorrow we got a car meet up in Lansing. That shit finna be chill as fuck. Hotel and a video. It's here. I'll get back to y'all when he gets here.
You go, boy.
Alright, man, what you want? What you want?
I don't know, bro. Just give me right, bro.
I'm getting a ball boosie fade. You next? What you getting?
You want a boosie fade, too?
A boosie fade? Let's see. God damn.
Yeah.
God, bro.
What kind of cut you about to give him?
Boosie fade. We got this boosted Civic. What you got done? You got done. How much power you push?
Stock.
Stock? Shit. So every Civic owner says.
Fucking can.
Start recording and start running that.
Eric, all I know.
I don't know how people do that, bro.
Hey, don't do that shit to me, bro. I'm letting you know right now. We boxing.
Catch you lacking somewhere.
Don't do that shit to me, bro.
You heard me an 11-year-old.
Minute.
You looking for the white beater?
Oh, he's a.
Oh, you looking for the white beater.
That's not shirts. That's underwear gang. Damn, they got. They got.
Bro, Cam, you know so.
I know. My shit gonna be a video, big as hell.
Man.
White tees, yeah, cause you gonna be in Bama, though. You don't want no.
Yeah, what, Cam?
Fuck no. We gonna rub his horns.
Oh, shit.
I'll buy it. Carhartt.
It's on you? You get one? Yeah, put that bitch on.
It's on me.
Put this bitch on. You mind this bitch?
What the fuck, bro? You put that?
Oh shit.
It's on me though.
Yeah, so.
Bro,
No,
tripping, bro.
I thought he was a real like.
Put the car in.
Man.
Yeah, I thought it was.
About to get his ass. What's this?
No, look, I thought I had to
Am I caught? Say nah.
That bitch.
I thought I was gonna have to kick your car. I thought it was you. But I seen a car trying to hit us.
Pull
I
up.
was gonna have to beat a nigga's ass. I didn't know you bumped me that fast. Didn't you just get off the exit? You just snapped me. It's his mouth too, cause I'd be racist.
Bro, you got that record.
Oh shit. You can edit it. Bro, whose horn is that?
It's Alex shit.
Oh yeah, we better have a Michigan Ave with it.
They got the speed trap right here. Can't be speeding right here. Look right here. That should be flashing.
we gotta let this bitch warm up.
Oh yeah.
Bitch will probably shoot flames right now.
Oh yeah.
Let it warm up for a second and then I'll fucking set it after.
God damn.
Dumbass.
You want one of these, Cam?
What?
Gotta bang you back
500?
I'm going 636.
He going 636.
You said what?
He going 636.
60.
First bike ever.
Wait, what?
Fucking crazy.
I mean, I learned fast.
That's heroin
This is Alex.
That's a heroin spoon.
Sub down.
What?
I ate a
Yeah.
sub.
A foot long?
A foot long.
Oh God. Oh man.
don't film me.
Oh man.
Bro, you always talk about it. Go get it.
Man, bro.
Go get
You got a slow one.
Go
You got a
get it.
slow ass
Go
1K.
get it.
You don't know how to ride it. You don't know how to ride it.
In repair.
$100 right now, I'll go get it.
$100 my
If I
ass.
can ride- Backpack, $100 right now.
Pain is crazy.
Man.
Go get the cruiser. See you was on that bitch.
I'd be clowning your ass, trying to record me with your camera off. Oh, it's nutty blood. Hey, that's some good chicken.
Cam, should I get some chicken and waffles or some chicken wings or some tenders?
What the fuck?
Some chicken
That bitch on?
Yes, sir. Blow that bitch. Blow that bitch. That Reggie.
Good wood.
I'm crack on the fries and then can I get sweet Asian on the wings? And that's it. Got the new Durango. Can't catch me though.
Damn, Sunday at 1.
Oh shit.
Where?
What?
Up there.
Can you touch it, Brand?
Touch that motherfucker. I know that shit hurting your back. Yeah.
Your turn, Cam.
Let me try to, I'm gonna try to get a run this.
Yeah, ready to start.
When it started, oh, you took this, bro. This is crazy.
Alright, bet.
Oh yeah. We threw this bitch. Come on, eat. Holy shit.
Wait, leave me run.
That's crazy. Damn, you still almost there though.
You want to race? You want to race?
Is it a 5.7? I don't know what a 5.7 is.
5.7?
Dude, we're inside the city of Jackson. Dude, this thing has a freaking Hemi in it.
What is it? Is it V6?
It does have a Hemi in it.
It's a V6?
It's got a 5.7.
Yeah, this guy.
There you go. It's a Hemi, man.
Is it fast?
Yeah, we had this compared to the Escapes that we had. This thing is so much quicker pickup and shit.
Oh, yeah, I
You
know.
want to test it out? You want to test it on him?
Oh, yeah? No, not really. You guys have a good night.
Alright, you too. You said what? Oh man. Making me take out the trash? That's fucking crazy.
Yeah. I can help.
I knew it. Thank you, shout out to my boy.
Brother, man.
Yes, sir.
This business.
How the fuck?
Don't do it.
Crack on the fries. What kind of wings are these?
Wait, no, fucking. I want
Don't take
Spicy Asian.
Oh, I ain't never had you. They give you all wings, bro.
Alright, y'all, that's the end of today. We'll be back tomorrow. Car meet. Oh, finally, bro. He's the last one here. Like, bro, what?
Damn, pussy.
Damn, bitch. Damn, bitch. Am I good? What's up? Grab that shit, AP.
Ready?
Yeah. Got some good boba. What'd you get, Cam? What
That shit
kind?
nasty. I don't like having to chew my drink.
Hey, you wanna hit the bleeds? Come on.
Drink.
Bro.
Put the monkey sign right there.
Yes, sir. You ready? I bet.
That sounds so insane.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Bro, that shit sounds insane.
You know it.
How the fuck I get stuck?
No, you good.
Me either.
You good.
Boys right there, I'm sure. Look at the tails. Oh my god.
Get over, little nigga. What are you doing?
Where's the switch?
Got you. Cam and this bitch fucking up the boba. And Eric tripping in the stinger.
Oh my god, bro.
In traffic.
Bro, look at the
Bitch ass
construction right here,
cones.
bro. I drive through this bitch all the time.
And this bitch tripping.
I don't know if there's a cop. I don't want to trip.
Nigga, fuck a cop. We ain't never seen.
This thing all the time. Come on, man.
That boy
I thought
Teddy popping
Teddy's pops were my pop for a second.
That shit popping too.
Can I-
Yeah, so this a lineup.
Oh yeah.
Hey, Dom!
You ain't gonna do that bitch. Dog, you gonna do that bitch?
So many lights. Huh?
Over there.
Where? Oh shit.
There is one that looks like
Hey, push this bitch.
I was slipping, bro. I had my traction off and my shit was slipping. Narrow. Wait till I get the track. Let me see that bitch. Oh shit. The focus wasn't even. gotta do that bitch soon. Ah, damn. That shit.
What up, man?
Fuck Chevy.
Man, what he said. Mopar. I think there's some spots over here.
More spots right here or just park right here?
Maybe. I think there's some spots. I'll park right here. Alright, bet. I'll park right there. Rev it. Come on, bro.
None of that.
Come on, kitty. Start this bitch up.
Thumbnail.
Hey, really, stand in front of this cat.
That's how you drive.
Break.
He was there. I think this bitch. You remember seeing that one man? Remember we were all up there?
This bitch hard for real right here. Big shit.
Man, it's not stock.
CTS 5V.
Like stock as hell or like stock as hell?
Scene. I'm telling y'all, this is not no scene.
What happened, Cam?
That shit got.
Man. They smacked the shit bad, bro. That shit all bad. Look. Shit. Oh shit. Shut the fuck up!
Fuck away from the car, bro. Get the fuck away from the car, my nigga. Hell no. Get the fuck out of the car, bro. Don't you come in. Hey. Fuck out that bitch. What the fuck's wrong with you?
Get my phone, please. Bro, please. If I get my phone, I can get some money. That's what I'm saying.
Shit, look at that shit. Excuse me, my bad.
They said it's a new bumper and shit.
Yeah, that's whole. You gotta fix the whole wire.
Yeah, that's shit. That ain't gonna fuck up.
Bro, how do you fuck up that bad, bro? Pull out the credit card. It's not worth it.
Or give her the damn car so she can flip that bitch.
Just walk home, damn it.
Yeah.
That's
Oh shit! 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 What the fuck?
That motherfucker done.
What the fuck?
Bro, he backed into my ass.
Oh, he's done.
Now it's just raining out of nowhere. It's a whole storm. God damn.
Hey, I can't see what they drop now.
Jailbreaks and everything, yeah.
There's a bunch of 17. Crazy ass video in it. Bro.
Monkey fan. Gotta go to that.
Damn, AP. You wish you brought your car?
That clip. You know what I'm talking about?
Damn.
At least sell that for at least 100.
You should have shit.
No, that's easily. I ain't fronting him shit.
Man, Ray.
I ain't fronting him no fucking money.
I'm not following you nowhere. It's a motherfucking Mount Hope. The only thing there is a cemetery. I have a fucking credit card reader on me.
Then you want to
I'm just telling you.
World Star.
I got somebody off at work tomorrow. Alright.
Then you want to World Star.
Get the fuck away from the car, bro. Get the fuck away from the car, my nigga. Get the fuck out of the car, bro. Don't do something. Whose car is that, bro? Hey.
World Star. What? I ain't gotta turn shit up. Fuck. World Star. World Star. Just give him his phone, let him get some money. He said he gotta get some money. World Star. World Star. He just hit another person's car. What in the fuck? Oh my god. He just